1969 Ford Mustang Fastback or sports roof here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 302 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, C4. Power steering, power brakes, so nicely equipped. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. As you can also see, chin spoiler. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the Magnum 500 style wheels. BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. As you can see, red paint. Shows well, has a nice shine to it. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look. Start it up, let's hear it run. Previous owner states that it does have a new dash in it. Technicians noted that the gauges were in op. FYI, brakes are 50%. Will come with a car cover. Let's take a look at the rear bumper in chrome. Dual exhaust. Also has headers when we pop the hood. Be able to see that. 4-barrel Holly. Nice look with the louvers back here in the rear window. Boss style rear wing. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint looks like has a nice shine to it. And it does look as good in person as it does the pictures in the videos. Door panels, also nice shape. Take a little closer look at these seats. So black vinyl once again, no rips, tears, holes, really anywhere in the seats at all. You'll be able to see the interior in the still pictures, good shots of the back seat. Headliner looking good. I think we should start it up. That's a fastened seatbelt light, by the way. And as you can see, it went off. All right, dash looks good, like I said. Previous owner stated new dash. Does have an AM/FM cassette player. And that is working, as you can hear. Sounds like the 302's got a little cam in it. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that 302. Sounds good. There it is. Again, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock Performer 2.0 intake manifold, it looks like. Again, Holly 4-barrel. Strut tower brace. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Good looking engine bay. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Someone will turn some heads. 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback. Number to call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. All those still pictures, over 100 of them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a great looking red 1969 Ford Mustang. This car is a fastback. Those window louvers in the back really make the look. Red and black, what a combo. Black interior, got wood grain. Bringing us back to 1969 with the wood grain. It's an automatic on the center console, storage compartment, and seatbelt holder also in the center console. Turn signal indicators are both working. Now the temperature, fuel, and oil pressure are not reading. The alternator needle is right in the middle. That one has not moved. But the speedometer is working. It shows 55 miles an hour. That appears to be at least close to accurate. It might be reading a little high. We have a cassette FM AM radio. I have not tested cassette, but FM is working well. The blower motor works. The wipers also work on this car. Very nice looking interior. The headliner looks great. The steering wheel is canted slightly to the right. That does not affect performance. Vinyl bucket seats. This car mostly stock appearing on the interior except for that radio. Clock over in front of the passenger. Nice feature to have. Brakes work very well. This car corners flat. It really does corner very well for a 69 Mustang. And we did kick down the second gear as I put my foot down. Nice sounding car. Yeah, I would say the speedo reads a little high. What a great looking fastback Mustang. Check out all the pictures of this 1969 at uniqueclassiccars.com.